it is similar to a real real one, but not all the dimensions or everything is similar to real. Just its functioning is very much, or you can say 99% similar to that original aircraft. So let's start making it here. Part design. The dimensions which I am going to use will be the dimensions I have used while making my own RC aircraft model, and I am doing it with the help of reverse engineering, that is taking dimensions from the original aircraft, only from the original model which I made about 2 to 3 years back for my competition. Yesterday night I take all the dimensions of that aircraft model, and now I am going to reconstruct it on this software, this FreeCAD software. Okay, so first of all we are going to start with the base. The base would be seen from the top view. So I am taking this XY plane, that is top view, and going to make its base. How the base is look like, or how an aircraft that aircraft would be looking from the top. Okay, I am going to take an polyline, escape. Let's check this whether these are connected or not. Yeah, it is connected. What we will do first, making it vertical, and this one is vertical, and these two would be horizontal. Okay, now I am giving dimensions to it. This would be 50 mm, zoom to fit. This is 160 mm, this one also 160 mm. Okay, again zoom to fit, escape, moving this point a bit away, taking this horizontal dimension from here. This is 50 and this should be 25 mm. Okay, now resume at the center, taking this a bit away so the dimensions are must be clear enough. Okay, we are done with this part. Now what next? Taking this and this, and the dimension would be 700. Okay, go out, zoom to fit like this. This would be the base of the aircraft, of the fuselage base. Basically it is a fuselage. We are designing fuselage today only, and the rest we will design. And the wing we will design tomorrow. Today there would be only fuselage. Okay, this is fine. This back dimension I showed it I think I mentioned it as a 15 mm. That trace that was 1.5 centimeters. I have found it. Now this vertical dimension to make it the half of 15 would be 7.5. Fine. Now it is symmetric about that this axis. Okay. Again zoom to fit. Here we go 10 base of the aircraft. It would be looking like this from the top view. Close this, pad it, zoom to fit. Okay, pad would be 50 mm. Isometric view. Okay, like this. Here I will do one thing, make it hollow. Here, this is section view. Skin thickness would be inside. Okay, and it would be, let it be 2 mm thickness. I think I choose this one as the, yeah, it was 3 mm while making that original aircraft which I made. Thickness outward करके okay, we have made this. You can say it after zooming. Now it is hollow. Okay, from top view it is looking like this, and hollow part is there inside. Taking isometric, taking this ZX plane here and constructing over it. Now the view from the side portion, we are going to change something, that is some cuts would be there. Okay, basically I'm going to close that top view. So here I will take this polyline marking, okay, and taking this distance of this, first I will take this a bit up and make this one vertical and the other one, sorry, this one horizontal and this is vertical. Now taking this vertical distance, I'm sorry, horizontal distance, Taking a vertical distance would be 50. Okay, this is just a bit up. Okay, now taking this distance 16 from here and make it like this. Okay, another triangle I will make from here to here. Okay, sorry, and this is horizontal. This one is vertical, and this one would be horizontal. Okay, and taking this distance from center will be 50. Okay, now distance between this point and this point would be, I guess it was 160. Yeah, 160 is enough. Let's make these two equal. Okay, this is a cover of this aircraft. Now close it. I want to edit this sketch again a bit more. Another triangle I would like to add here. There is always a leaning edge because what is this? Let me delete this. Insert this and also delete this and coincide these two. Okay, making it vertical. This one. Just a bit slanting so that the air coming on the propeller will I'm zooming it so that I could make it in a better way. Just a little bend is required here, about 1 degree or two. And coinciding these two together. And moving it a bit over like this. Okay, here it is. We are done. Now come out of the sketcher and pad this section. Now you can see it from this side. Okay, but from the top, this should be cut out. So this is plain, I guess. This sketch is not going. Let it be. We will make it again afterwards. And now, what will need to do, this extra portion, we need to cut that extra portion. And for that, I am taking this plane and sketching over it. First, zoom to fit. Here, I will just need a straight line. Okay, I will take a polyline. This point and this point. Okay, anything above it, we don't have some. You take care about that. We don't need to take care about what's over it. Just just making them coincide with each other exactly like here. This like this. Similarly, I will make it. Okay, fine. Here. Okay, fine. But where I will do, close it and make a pocket where reverse direction and cut it. Okay, now you can see it. Isometry and isometric soon to fit. Here it is. We have closed it. Okay, what else we need now? Here, this portion we will need to cover this section and making a winglets tail here. But what we will do, we'll just cover it today and make tail and wing tomorrow. Here I will place a motor also today. We'll just complete fuselage today and other tail and wing we will make tomorrow. Take this, sketch over it. It left this. Okay, we will not take much here. I have taken square. Whether it would work or not, no, square will not work. Here again we need to take polyline. Let's take it from here. Moving row alongside this. Up to here. Joining with this. Okay. Just following it. Make it vertical. Okay, fine. Looking fine, or you can say much fine. Here, I will give some radius. Okay, okay, like this. Now it is exactly over it. What we'll do, close it and pad it. Not that much. We need only one, or you can say 2 mm. 2 mm will be enough. 1 mm is enough. Okay, it is done now. Now you can see it from isometric view like this. Okay, and here the front view. It is fine. Okay, now what will I do on this plane? I will sketch what I would have to sketch on this plane. I just need polyline. This one. Okay. This is very much important for us to make it because only due to this the airflow will be over the aircraft and push it forward. This angle is must. That's why I'm after this angle. We need to make this angle anyhow. Okay, I'm closing it and pad it. I'm going to choose again this XZ plane and sketching over it. I will choose polyline here to here and here, making an angle and joining it here back. Just taking it. It's fine. Close, pad it. Yeah, now I can pad it perfectly in a symmetric way. Here I will apply fillet. I will We can use this thing also. I need to pad it about 56 mm. Okay, now it is fine. Here I can now give it. This would be enough. 3 2 mm. Yeah, 2 mm is enough. Now you can see it from the front side. Now it is fine. Okay, looking like a shape of an aircraft. A thickness here. This section is for wing. Here our wing will be placed. Here we have our tail in this section, and the vertical tail is here, this planar section, and here we have a propeller. For propeller we need a motor. I am making motor here. Propeller and wing and other thing would be made today. Sorry, tomorrow. Here it is sketcher. We need to sketch on this part only. This square, taking circle. This would be center approximately. Taking circle. Here it is the center. Approximate center would be here. Motor like something somewhat here. Okay, close. Now this and pad it 10 mm. Let it be 20 mm. Okay, here we with camphor fillet. Okay, here we have come done with our fuselage. We are left with wing and tail. That would we will make tomorrow. That's all for today. Thank you guys. We'll make other parts tomorrow and meet up tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.